Hello, I am Miss Kausha from Orchids the International School. I teach literacy. Today I will be telling you the story of letter Z. There were two best friends and they were zebras, Zippy and Zack. Both of them loved to eat zucchini. You know where were they staying? They were staying in the zoo, and the zoo belonged to Mr. Zulu. Mr. Zulu had a zucchini farm. Both Zippy and Zack, the zebras, would always love to go there and eat the zucchini. But when they were very tired, what were they doing? They were playing in the zigzag farms. Yes, Mr. Zulu had made a nice zigzag farm for Zippy and Zack in the zoo. The farm had a lovely yellow grass growing in a zigzag pattern. Zippy and Zack would run here and there in the zigzag pattern. And after running and enjoying themselves, they would cross the field through the zebra crossing. The road has zebra crossings, right? So Zippy and Zack would cross the roads only from the zebra crossing, and they would reach the zucchini farm. Mr. Zulu would keep nice zucchini salads over there, and both of them would enjoy eating the zucchinis. They are very, very healthy for our body. So Zippy and Zack would eat all the zucchini, and after that, Zippy would go for a nap. Nicely, he would sleep in the zucchini farm. And what was Zack doing? He was going here and there, smelling and feeling the zinnia flowers in the farm. Zinnias are very beautiful, colorful flowers, and he would enjoy out there. In the evening, after all day's fun, they would return back to their home, to the zoo. Mr. Zulu would come and take them. But that evening, there was a roar, and it was a huge laughter. Ha 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 ha. And Zippy and Zack were scared. What was that? What is the sound all about? And the sound was of a zombie. When Zippy and Zack saw a zombie, they both were scared, and they both cried for help, help, help. And again they heard a laughter, and it was not a zombie but Mr. Zulu, who was wearing a mask of the zombie, and he was just trying to fool both of them. Now they both were not scared, but they were angry on Mr. Zulu. You're making fun of us? And then all the three of them had a nice laughter. After that, being very tired, they wanted to go home. So Mr. Zulu took them back, and they crossed the zebra crossing, went to their zigzag farm, and slept the whole night. So, did you all enjoy the story of letter Z? Yes. Thank you for watching the video. See you soon.